Hello guys, we are staying at Gobraville, the last moments of the year 2022 and last sunset of the year 2022. We are passing our leisure time with Doyle Sharma and me. So we want to say Happy New Year advance because after some hours the new year will come in our lives. So the new year will bring happiness, more happiness in your lives and in our lives also. So how did our past the 2022? Now we will express ourselves. The year 2022 is very crucial and very danger and is not good for me in the year 2022. Now I want to know how did how did Doyle Sharma pass the year 2022? Okay, Mr. Doyle, express yourselves. How did you pass the year 2022 in your lives?
Okay guys, good morning, good evening everybody.
And
I will
everybody's happy New
stay
Year.
I will stay at Gauraville, and I am coming to Gauraville with my elder brothers. Do you know uh, he is a good speaker in English. Actually, I learn from Dilip Chandra Sarkar. She is my elder brothers. Actually, I come to Gobraville. We decided to discuss about our life because we can stay is very dangerous. So, how can improve ourselves and how can improve in the next new year? How can pass the new year? So advance happy new year everybody.
Okay, thank you.
uh,
Yeah, Mr. Doyle,
yeah, you
we are
say.
staying in the last moment of
Yeah,
the year 2022.
it's
So,
very,
yeah, so how are your feelings now?
my feelings is very bad and wrong. I can pass, uh, we can move here and there. Yeah, my life is very dangerous. Do you know everything is not good for me? So I will try. Next new year, I will change my life with my elder brothers, and I will promise how to improve in my life. So I feel very better today because we can get in New Year 2013 2023. I feel better and I will try. We can change our life 2023 years. So uh, let's can try. Uh,
Okay, okay,
you can see.
thank you, Mr.
Yeah,
Doyle. Yeah, so though it is a very sad news that a new a year, a year, 1 year is going away from us, and
yeah,
a new year is coming to us. It is a happy news.
yes, please.
And on the contrary, it is also a bad news that in a, any year is going away from us.
Yeah.
So I am very, very, very sad today. And on the simultaneously that I am happy that a new year is coming to us.
Yeah.
So we are trying to something different from the new year. So pray for us so that we can do difference in the new year. Okay, friends, thank you very much.
Next tomorrow I will share our life. There is no problems. Just you see and share my page and Facebook page. Uh, Actually, next tomorrow, from tomorrow, I will try to learn in English how to improve in your English, because English is very important in our life. If you want to communicate it abroad the country, you must learn speak English.
Yeah, you are
Without
right.
speaking English,
Yeah, you are
you
right.
cannot be a good speaker. You cannot be a communicated abroad the country. You cannot be good. You cannot good a good job. Get a good job. Good job. So see and try to understand how to improve our English, and you have to speak English fluently. So every time and every day I will try to post the video in our social media.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Doyle Sharma. Okay, the new year may bring happiness to everyone. That is our last words. Thank you very much.
Thank you.